Hello friends. Welcome to Woodworking Zone. Are you pouring your heart into woodworking but struggling to turn it into cash? You're not alone. Today, I'm revealing the reason most woodworkers fail to make money and how to fix it. Many talented woodworkers end up with a pile of unsold projects. It's not because their work isn't good enough. It's because of a crucial mistake they're making. Stick around because solving this could change everything for your woodworking business. The number one reason woodworkers fail to make money is simple. They don't know their audience. They build projects they want to create, not what people actually want to buy. For example, you might love crafting intricate carvings or custom furniture, but your customers might be looking for trendy charcuterie boards or practical shelving. See the disconnect? Here's how to fix it. Research your audience. Start small, visit local craft fairs, check out Etsy, or ask people directly what they'd buy. Trends like minimalist furniture, home organization pieces, or giftable items often sell fast. Focus on creating a mix of passion projects and practical items that align with demand. And don't forget to price your work competitively while still valuing your time and materials. Now that you know the reason woodworkers fail to make money, what's stopping you? Start researching and aligning your projects with what people want. If you found this tip helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more woodworking business advice. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments. Let's grow together as woodworkers and turn that passion into profit. See you next time.